Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the battery. This is our key fob for our 2018 Ford Explorer. Now, I don't know as far as all the makes and models that this particular key fob works with, but I'm going to assume it should be fairly similar as far as changing out the battery. What we have to do first is you depress this button right here, so you can see it push down. Then you're just going to pull back. Now, what you want to do is you want to get your key in this right here, and then you're just going to kind of lift up. So let me spin this over, put the key right here, and I'm just going to kind of push up with it. Set that aside. Okay, that comes off. So I have like a little jeweler's screwdriver. I mean, anything that's small enough where you can get right in here. I'm trying to make sure you can see this on camera. There's like a little slot. So you're just going to stick it right in there, and it's, well, as you can see, it popped out.
A few moments later.
So I got my new battery right here. Okay, so here's the new battery. You want the plus side facing up. So put this in here. It just snaps in. So we're all set with that. And then with this, you just want to kind of start with this end. There's like a little tab right there. So we'll just do this and just squeeze. That's it. We're all done. Okay, so that's going to do it for now. Pretty simple job to do. The hardest part was actually taking the battery out of this plastic. That took forever. Okay, thanks again for watching. Hope it helped. And we'll see you guys soon in the next video.
But that was awesome.